In this video, I'm going to show you Droptober updates that Canva just rolled out. From AI innovations to video editing tools, whiteboards, and cool new apps. There's a lot to cover, and I'll do it in under 6 minutes. So, let's jump right in. And here are the new updates which are going to talk about. First, let's see how we can see all the new updates. On your browser, go to canva.com/Droptober. Here you will see all the new features. First, let's talk about most awaited AI tool DreamLab. First things first, how do you access DreamLab? If you don't see it in your Canva sidebar, just type canva.com/dream-lab in your URL bar. Link will be in the description below. If you're a free user, you get 20 lifetime prompts. Pro users, you have 500 prompts per month. When creating images, skip short descriptions. Instead, use detailed prompts. Canva provides some great example prompts. Use them as a guide to understand how to craft your own for best results. Let's use this image and see its prompt. Detailed prompts lead to high-quality images. Here is a quick tips which will give us the result that we want. Just provide a reference image and let ChatGPT create a detailed prompt for you. It's a great way to ensure you get high quality and consistent results. Detailed prompts lead to high quality images. Now copy and paste this prompt to Canva and see its result. Experiment with styles like 3D renders or vector art to see how DreamLab can generate different looks for the same prompt. Don't be afraid to switch styles and be precise with your choice for varied results. Now let's generate YouTube thumbnail for this video and see what it gives us. Nice, now you can directly generate thumbnail from Canva as well. Click on Use in Design to edit it. One last tip: if you browse Canvas elements and use the keywords from your favorite images to inspire your prompts. In this way you can inspiration for your prompt as well. Canva's pushing boundaries with enhanced AI features like Magic Write for generating text content. Let's teach you how to use Magic Write. Click on Try Now. Here Canva has given us some example prompts. Simply copy this. Now go to File and click on Create New Document. Paste it here. Let's give it some details. Click on Magic Write. Remember to place your details only after clicking on Magic Write if you know what you want, otherwise follow as I say. It is generating the answer. You can select what you like and something using this button. If you want to learn about Magic Write in details, then comment Magic Write and I will bring a detailed video on this topic. Next up we have charts. You can easily turn boring charts into interactive. You can also follow the instruction. To do that, go to Edit. Click on Bar Chart Race. And look something like this. Next up is we have video captions. This is not ready to be used yet by users, but I'm looking forward to using it. Another update is quiz. This is very useful for collaboration and for polls. Then we have AI-powered whiteboards and mockups. Now you can create mockups from any images. Besides this, there are other updates as well, such as this Disney bundle pack. That's it for this quick update video. I will bring details video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button.